Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me, Hema Subramanian. Today's recipe is for all those chocolate lovers. I'm sure you're going to enjoy this. We're going to make this delicious and rich chocolate bread. Now this is nothing but a chocolate cake that we're going to make it in a loaf. So it's absolutely simple and very nice. Let's get started and check out the recipe. For the chocolate bread, first I'm going to mix all the dry ingredients together. We're going to sieve all the ingredients. So I've taken 2 cups of Maida or all-purpose flour. Just drop it into the sieve. Half cup cocoa powder. 2 teaspoons baking powder. Half teaspoon baking soda and 1/4 teaspoon salt. So just sieve all the ingredients into the bowl and keep it aside. Now I'm going to mix all the wet ingredients. To a bowl, add 3/4 cup sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, half cup melted butter. So this is unsalted melted butter. Next add 2 eggs. So those of you who want to substitute eggs, you can substitute with milk or yogurt. So using a whisk, mix these ingredients first. Just whisk it all together. Next add 3/4 cup of boiled and cooled milk. Just mix it all in nicely using a whisk. Whisk everything together nicely. It is all well combined. Now gradually pour all the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. Using a whisk, gently mix it. So you can see it's all well combined. You can also use a spatula to mix the ingredients together. So I've taken about 1 cup of chocolate callets. Add about 3/4 cup of these and just saving a few for garnishing on top. Mix the chocolate callets in. Now you can use chocolate chips because those are easily available. So if you can't find chocolate chips, you can also chop the regular cooking chocolate into chunks and you can incorporate it into the batter. So these are some of the options. So if you'd like some nuts, you can add those as well. So it's entirely up to you. So just make sure it's all well combined. Just mix it into the spatula. So here I'm greasing a loaf tin with butter on all sides. Gently pour the prepared batter into the loaf tin. Gently spread it out evenly. Gently tap it to release any air bubbles. Now top it with some chocolate callets. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees for 15 minutes. I'm going to bake this for about 50 minutes at 180 degrees centigrade. After 50 minutes, you can see the chocolate bread is done. It looks absolutely gorgeous. Cool it completely. Remove the chocolate bread from the loaf tin. Cut it into slices and you can serve it with some nice warm or cold milk or some tea or coffee. This is a lovely recipe that you can try and it's super easy to make. For all of you who love chocolate, it's a must-try recipe, guys. So there is this really simple and delicious chocolate bread that you can enjoy with your tea. This is a very simple cake. Now I've added eggs to this recipe. Now you can substitute the eggs with some milk or with yogurt. Do try the recipe, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now. So you can place your orders on 21frames.in.